As the girls' basketball season comes to an end, Megan Ganshaw shares how she spent her junior year on the sidelines due to being out with a torn ACL.
Right when it happened, I was lined up for a couple offers and a couple schools were looking at me, and then right since it happened first day of a tournament, they couldn't see me and I lost a couple of those opportunities. Also, after it happened, I just lost a lot of motivation to talk to coaches and reach out to people and put forth the effort.
Coach Lindsay Long shares through a coach's perspective how this injury affects her recruitment process.
Division I schools are like a business, so I think if they're nervous about someone's strength coming back from a huge injury like an ACL, that could be a concern with recruitment.
Megan shares how this injury affected her mental health.
Yeah, I didn't want to admit that I had hurt myself. I was kind of oh, it's just a sprain, I'll be fine, I'll be back in a couple weeks, and I kind of didn't want to admit that I thought it was a bad injury.
I told Megan to focus on rehab and act like that is her job right now. I told her that she needs to come back stronger than she was before her injury.
Megan shares when she plans to get back on the court again and resume her recruitment process.
I should be cleared by end of March, and tournaments don't really start till beginning of April, so worst case scenario, I'll be limited minutes at the beginning of April.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Kayla Meyer.